Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you why face orientation in Blender stopped showing red and blue colors and how to bring them back permanently. If you recently tried to enable face orientation and saw nothing, this video is for you. Let's fix it. So here's the issue. You go to the top right corner of the 3D viewport, click on the overlay menu and activate face orientation, but nothing changes, no red, no blue, just your model as if the feature isn't doing anything. That's because in recent versions of Blender, the blue color for correct facing normals has been made fully transparent by default. So if your model has all normals facing correctly, it looks like face orientation is broken, but it's actually working. You just can't see the blue anymore. Let me show you a quick example. If I delete a polygon here and then activate face orientation, you'll see red on the inside of the model because that's the back face. That's the only color you'll see by default now, red for flipped faces, but no blue for the correct ones. So if everything is fine, you won't see anything. That's what's confusing a lot of users. If you want to see it like before, where correct normals show in blue, here's how you can fix it. Go to Edit, Preferences, then go to the Themes tab, choose 3D Viewport on the left, scroll down to Face Orientation Front, change the alpha value from 0 to something like 0.3 or 0.4, and that's it. Now the blue color for front-facing normals will show again. Blender saves this setting automatically, so next time you open the program it will stay that way. So that's the reason why face orientation in Blender looked like it stopped working, but now you know it's just a visual alpha setting. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and leave a comment so more Blender users can find this solution. Thanks for watching and happy blending.